Welcome to Spunky Monkey's AI Cards world. Here, every idea you imagine comes to life in a colorful drawing. Spunky Monkey is sitting at his drawing desk, ready to create the card you want. Attached to the desk is a rope. That's where he'll hang all the cards you've approved. Those are the cards that will appear in all the games inside this world. To create your first card, tap the Create button at the bottom of the screen. Type what you'd like Spunky Monkey to draw. It can be an object, a place, or even a short situation. Whatever you imagine, Spunky Monkey can draw it. You can also just speak. Tap the microphone button on your keyboard and say what you want Spunky Monkey to draw. When Spunky Monkey finishes drawing, he'll show you the new card with the picture and its title. From here, you can record the card's name, redraw if it's not exactly what you imagined, delete it, or approve it. Once approved, Spunky Monkey proudly hangs the card on the rope. From that moment, it becomes part of the active cards in every game. Even after approval, you can select any card on the rope to edit, re-record, redraw, or remove it if you don't want it to appear in future games. And that's it. You're now ready to create, play, and let your imagination fly with Spunky Monkey. Let's explore the dashboard for managing all the cards you've already created, the place where you can access your saved cards, organize them into folders, edit, and keep everything neat and easy to use. On the side of the desk, you'll see a stack of cards. This is your access to all the cards you've already created. They're saved there automatically, so you can always come back to them. When you tap the stack, all your saved cards will appear on the screen. From here, you can hang them on the rope, remove them, delete them permanently, or assign them to a specific folder. Before assigning a card to a folder, let's create a new one. Tap the green plus button, choose a name and a color to help you identify it easily, and confirm. Perfect! You've just created a new folder that can hold your cards. To assign a card to a folder, tap the folder icon on the desired card and select the folder you want. That's it! The card is now assigned to that folder. When you tap a folder, you can edit a folder's name or color at any time, and of course, delete a folder if needed. When a folder is deleted, only the folder itself is removed. The cards remain in your general collection, simply without a folder assignment. To remove a card from the folder it's assigned to, press and hold the folder button for 3 seconds. The card will then be unlinked from that folder and return to the general list of all cards. And that's it! Now you know how to save, organize, and manage all your cards easily, and keep your workspace perfectly in order. Welcome to Guess the Card game. In this game, you can play with anywhere from 2 to 6 cards. Here's how it works. At the beginning of each turn, one of the players selects a card from the spinning card box. The selection is made secretly. The other player shouldn't see it. Use the spin button to pick your card, then press the confirm button. Once confirmed, the chosen card flips to show its back. Now, the guessing player can turn around and start guessing. It's a guessing game using clues, and the clues can be anything you choose: a description, a sound, a gesture, or even a funny hint. After the player makes their guess, the one who hid the card reveals it by pressing the big question mark button. If the guess is correct, press the confirm button, and Spunky Monkey will take the card and attach it to the magic tree, making one of the branches beneath the skunk disappear. Each correct card added to the tree makes one branch vanish. When the final card is placed, the last branch disappears and the skunk falls right into the water bucket for a cold shower. After that, the game resets and is ready for a new round. You can add an extra fun twist using the mud button. When the mud button is pressed and glowing green, the revealed card will appear covered in mud. Now the player can clean the mud to uncover the picture, or you can reveal just a small part as a visual clue for guessing. That's it. That's all you need to know about the tree game. Have fun! This is the missing card game. In this game, you can play with anywhere from 2 to 6 cards. Here's how it works. At the beginning of the game, the cards are placed on the table in the same order they were hung. At this stage, the player needs to look carefully and memorize the cards. When you decide the player remembers them well, tap on the bird card. As soon as you do, all the cards will flip to their backs and the bird will take one card away. A big question mark will appear where the missing card was. This game combines focus practice with the picture cards and a fun memory challenge that develops attention, concentration, and visual recall. Now all the cards flip back to their picture sides, and the guessing player must figure out which card is missing. When they're ready, tap the question mark to call the bird back with the card. If the answer is correct, press the confirm button on the card, and one chick will hatch from an egg in the nest. If the answer is wrong, the card will return to the table, and the game continues. Each turn, the bird will choose a new random card, so throughout the game, every card will be selected in a different order. When the final missing card is revealed, the chicks will take off in a colorful, joyful flight. After that, the game resets and is ready for another round. You can add an extra challenge using the shuffle button. When you press it, it lights up green, and before the bird comes to take a card, the cards on the table will switch places. Now the player must rely only on visual memory, not on the order of the cards. That's it. That's everything you need to know about the missing card game. A fun and challenging way to practice memory, focus, and your cards. Welcome to the balloons game. In this game, you can play with anywhere from 1 to 6 cards. Here's how it works. At the beginning of the game, the balloons are hanging on the fence, one for each of the cards chosen for the game. When you press the balloon button, the balloons will be released from the fence and start flying in circles above the skunk. Every few seconds, one balloon will stop above him and glow for a short moment. During this time, the player can tap the balloon to reveal the card attached to it. This game is designed to practice word repetitions using the cards. If the player pronounces the word correctly, press the confirm button. Spunky Monkey will shoot an arrow, pop the water balloon above the skunk, and give him a refreshing cold shower. If the word wasn't said correctly, press the X button. The card will return to the balloon, and the game continues. While a card is displayed, you can also tap the middle repetitions button. The more repetitions you add, the more the button fills with water. Each time the player says the word correctly and you press confirm, the number of repetitions decreases by 1. The water level goes down, and the balloon fills with more water. When all repetitions are complete, Spunky Monkey will pop the balloon and give the skunk a double splash. You can make the game more challenging using the speed lever under the skunk. Pressing it increases the balloon's spinning speed, making it harder for the player to catch them in time. This adds a fun layer of focus and speed to the game. A colorful, lively, and joyful game, the perfect mix of practice, focus, and fun.